Hello everyone. Got a couple projects today I'd like to do. I'd like to get the snowplower hooked up to the big tractor because they forecasting I think a foot or more snow for these next 2 days. So I'd like to get that done. And also over here, that old apple tree over here started already this morning. I gotta get rid of it because that thing doesn't produce anymore. There's hardly any apples on there, and I'd like to get rid of it and cut it up into firewood, because also it blocks my the sun actually rises right over there, and you can see it comes around and goes down on the other side of this building here. And we recently just got a solar panels installed on the roof of this building over here, and this old tree over here and those cedar trees over here, they block the sun a little bit. It's just in the winter, in the morning, because sun comes up right down there, and it's pretty low during the winter. So I'd like to get, not all of them, but the first 3 of them over here, get rid of them. So that's today's project, or tomorrow, I think a part of it of tomorrow. So got the big tractor already running over there, because so you can warm up a little bit and get that snowplower hooked up and get things ready. I always like to get things ready before, because otherwise it's just rush. Okay guys, see you later. Alright, I got the tractor already over here running. That's the one which is gonna get the snowblower mounted. It's probably a little bit overkill, because it's almost got 200 horsepower and it's only an 8-foot wide snowblower, but that's alright. It's comfortable and it's heated. There's heat in there, so it'll be perfect. And I don't use this tractor for anything over the winter months. Might as well to put it to use. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Get that hooked up and make some room in the shop here, so I can put both tractors. The little one, the one I use to feed the deer every day, and this one over here, because it's gonna get really cold. This way I have no issues starting them. Well, that's the snowblower over here. We just got that one, I think, a year ago. I only used it once last winter, so it works great. You can move some snow with this baby. But like I said, 200 horsepower is I think is a little bit overkill, but that's all right. All right, let's get that hooked up and make some room in here. All right, I gotta put those ties in there. I call them ties. That makes it very easy to hook up implements, especially on this tractor here. Just round little ties, I call them. Here. that tractor up. Alright, now I just gotta line those things up here. I'll move that a little bit over like that. Open that, makes it easier. And push a button here. This thing raises up. I might have to back up a little bit. I got it on that side. Oh, maybe I can move it by hand a little bit. Yes! That thing ain't so heavy. Raise it up. Straighten it out so it's kind of level over here. That looks good. I'm going to close that up. Close that up. Oh, that's a little close. Might have to drop it down a little bit. Raise it up. Come on. Close. That's it. Level it again. That looks pretty good. Looking from that side. Yep. I think I'm gonna just drop it a little bit. That's it. Now I need to hook up the top link, which is this one over here, that goes right in here, and then hook up some hydraulic hoses. So this chute over here, you guys can see this hydraulic motor here. You can turn from inside the cap. It turns 360 degrees, so you can shoot the snow in any direction. I mean, you don't want to shoot it backwards to the tractor, but left to right or back. And another thing is, you gotta watch where the wind is coming from. You don't want to get the tractor covered completely. All right, let's get that top link hooked up. And that was pretty quick. Best run. See how it works. Ain't much snow here, but there's a little bit over there. We can dry it out. See how it works. Try a little bit over here, I think. think we got it all set up. That's good. Perfect. I think the height is okay too. I think we're gonna be in good shape. I think that's it. Shut her off and put her back into the building here. It don't take much for the got the wipers on. So ready for the big snowstorm. My wife just told me she saw on the weather forecast. I don't know how to. I don't know if I should even believe them, but well, let's see. They said it's supposed to start snowing on Sunday evening. It's supposed to snow all the way through Monday and even Tuesday. So I think this is gonna be a lot of snow. But we'll see. All right, gotta drive over with my pickup to get the other tractor and put them both away because this way I just start them up tomorrow. We have a problem with the building. Oh, here, let me show you guys. That's the on our building over here. We just recently installed that those solar panels up there. Works great. The way the building is sitting, it's just perfect. The way the sun rises and the sun goes down, so it should work. Hopefully in the summer, I think we're really gonna make a lot of power. Let's put it this way, I hope so. Alright, let me get this tractor over here and bring it over. Try to find my building over here. Alright. Alright. Got some of that apple tree already cut up. Got a little bit left today and clean up the branches over here and got a little stack of firewood already for next winter, I guess, or the winter after. So it is freezing cold here, guys. I don't know if you can see the tractors, smoke coming out of the stack of the tractor. That's not smoke, that's just because it's so cold. It is brutal. At least there's no wind, but I want to get that done and maybe cut some of those cedar trees today. It's a beautiful day because there's nothing good coming after tomorrow, weather-wise. So might as well get it done, you know. So, all right, let's keep going. My chainsaw. Oh, I bought a chainsaw. I decided to buy a steel again. Always used to have steel, so made my choice and I got a steel again. So very happy about it. And I got it out yesterday, first time over here, and this thing works great. Really happy. All right, so get my saw and start cutting. All right, cut some of the branches, and I think I'm just gonna dump them down at the edge of the woods here. After a while, they'll be gone. I don't have a wood chipper and I don't want to make a fire, so I might as well just dump them in the woods. That's it. Everything works so hard today. The hydraulics on this tractor are almost frozen up. I can hardly move the lever up and down. Holy tractor, once it really warms up completely, then try to lower the mold, it won't even work. I hope it'll warm up. All right, the old apple tree is gone. It's history. I'm just gonna clean it up over here and stack the rest of it over there, so I can split that sometimes in the spring, I think. The only thing I got left is some of the cedar trees, but it is sunny. But guys, I'm telling you, it's freezing cold out here. So I think I'm gonna just clean this up over here and put all the equipment away again and call it quits for the day. Go in the house and drink some hot cocoa, I guess. That's all I can do for the day. We fed the deer yesterday already, so I'm gonna go back out tomorrow before we get that snowstorm and feed them again. But that's it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Be safe out there. Bye.